Holy shit.
Wait, dude.
You might be able to get in.
Wait. Should we shine the light? Yo, is my shit on? Can you tell?
Yeah.
Alright, it's on? Alright. Let's fucking get it. Alright. Whew. Let's get it. Yo, I don't know. There's like a fucking creek right here.
Yeah.
Alright, wait, careful.
Let's go around it.
Alright, just don't get caught, dude. It's funny how like this is the least immoral thing to do. Like you're just exploring, that's all you're doing.
Yeah.
You're not vandalizing, you're not. Dude, the fucking Americans should be proud.
Yeah.
I'm fucking doing what our ancestors did. Unconquered land.
This is what they did.
This is what they fucking did, dude. Okay. How are we gonna get in there?
We'll find out when we get there. We'll try to get through that tree line.
Yeah, you're right. There's a car coming. Oh my god, dude. Hey, should we go on the roof through those stairs?
Yeah.
Alright, how are we gonna do it?
I don't know.
Okay, we're gonna figure it out. Dude, there's mad cars right here. Should we just go up on the road? Wait, careful, there might be water. Now there's water right here. You can see it. Should I shout you out or do you not want your shit?
No.
Okay, don't shout you. This is a anonymous guy I'm with. I don't know this guy.
Found me on the street.
Yeah, I have no connection. I don't know him. He doesn't know me. Alright, you're right. I think this is a highway exit.
Yep.
Yeah, it is. Oh, this is the fucking highway.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go. Wait, we can just run on the highway for a second. It's a lot smoother.
What?
Like just right here. What'd you say? Oh, you're coming. Oh. Holy shit, look at this place.
It only comes from this way, so we can't go.
So we can't what?
It only comes from this way.
Okay, that's good, yeah.
Holy shit.
Wait, dude.
You might be able to get in.
Wait. Should we shine the light right here?
Yeah.
Alright, hang on. Let's. Hell no, you can't go through there. That's hella thick. What's the place? Holy shit. Oh fuck. Okay, that car's not coming off.
Yeah, I think we can go through it.
Alright, I'll follow you. Hey, if you hear someone, just run. There could be security.
Yeah.
Lonnie 1776.
I just want to look at it for a second.
Okay, we need to make sure there's no security.
Because they need to be like doing patrols.
Yeah, that's what you're. Oh, dude. Alright, should we advance?
Yeah, let's try to be quiet now.
Hey, careful. Hey, there could be water down here.
Yeah.
It's a low spot. Okay, wait. It looks kind of clear through here.
Yeah.
Alright.
If there's any security, I would think it would be like in the front.
Yeah. Okay. Where are we dipping at? If shit goes wrong, where are we coming? Right here? Like running back through here?
Run back to here or go down there.
Okay, just run away from the place.
Wherever they are, just go opposite direction.
Alright, you're right. Alright, careful. Just be quiet. Yo, there's a fence. It's like, it's small, I think. Wait, no, it's not. It's like here. Shit. It's barbed wire.
Look at this shit.
This place looks crazy. Wait, let me get a video on my phone. Here, let me get you in it. Hold up. Or. Okay, fuck. What do we do? Climb the fence?
Yeah.
There's like one layer of barbed wire. Like, yeah, just this. I think that's easy to climb.
Yeah.
Okay. What's the move? Use the pillar to like fucking push yourself. Yo, if I hear someone say, "Hey,"
Dude.
no, I'm not going to jail. I'm literally hopping this fence.
I'm diving.
No, I'm deadass diving over this fence. I'm gone. Alright, so this is where the GoPro footage cut out for some reason. The audio and the footage would cut out in a minute. Audio was gone first. I don't know where the hell the audio went. But me and my buddy, we were deciding to hop the fence. We're like, okay, let's do this. As you can tell, this was a huge factory or like a warehouse or something. And this is a shot of the roof access. You can see the scaffolding on the roof. This was a shot of us just outside of the property. And here we are walking around the side. Truck port, huge truck port. But I gotta say, I do like construction sites. I don't know, it's kind of an eerie feeling, because it's not something that's like, it almost feels abandoned, but it's not. But here's a shot of the highway. A shot of the roof. There was a gas station all lit up. But yeah, I mean, I'm gonna keep uploading on this channel. People, if you like these videos, hit the like button, subscribe. It would be greatly appreciated. It's free. You can always unsubscribe later. But yeah, the roof was sweet. And yeah, this is another shot. And me and him on the roof. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. It was a calm little climb. It wasn't even a climb, dude. You literally walked up these stairs and it was fucking easy as shit. But yeah, and this is us walking back to my car. One last shot of the place. But yeah, I mean, if you like these videos, feel free to subscribe. Very appreciative. But yeah, that's about it. Sorry for the footage cutting out and the audio cutting out, but we'll improve.